Alright, so we're going to change the AA batteries inside of a Paradox Keypad alarm. It's as easy as pushing up the wall from the very bottom here. So give it a good push, nice strong push, take it off the wall. We turn the keypad around, remove the Phillips head screw on the back, and then you can see the AA batteries inside there. We can then pop these batteries out like so, and now we can reinsert. You can see we have the positive and the negative for the directions of the batteries, so we need to get that right so we can put the positive, which it's written on the battery, positive to positive, so therefore it goes down. And the same for this battery, we have the negative on the bottom, here. We install that, you can hear it beep. It's now woken up. Put the cover back on. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then we can put that back on the wall and then just push down till you hear it click. And we are ready to go.
What's the trouble mean?
It's not connected to anything.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, but what would be the first what would be the first message that they would get
So
when the battery goes in?
when the it will just go to a normal screen. This is probably a little bit of a different screen
Yep.
to most of them, but it will come up with their little zones and
Okay,
things
and then
like that.
they don't have to do anything once they change the batteries? It
They
just
don't
goes-
have to do anything.
Okay,
no.
that's it. Okay,
Yep.
thanks.
All right.